Hey, you can download the Expert Advisor that is built in this video and use it for your own AI codebase by clicking on the link below.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that calculates and displays the accumulation distribution indicator value on the chart. Let's see how we can do that. We start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon here or by pressing F4. This opens the Metaeditor where we can create our new expert advisor. We click on New, select Expert Advisor, give it a name like SimpleIAD, and click through the wizard until we have our basic template. Now we need to modify the OnTick function. This function is called every time a new tick comes in for the symbol we have attached our expert advisor to. Inside this function, we will calculate the current accumulation distribution value and display it on the chart. First, we create an array for several prices. We declare a dynamic array of type double and name it myPriceArray. The empty square brackets indicate this is a dynamic array that can hold multiple values. This array will be used to store the indicator values we retrieve from the accumulation distribution indicator. Next, we define the properties of the IAD value expert advisor. We use the IAD function to create a handle for the accumulation distribution indicator. The first parameter is underscore symbol, which automatically uses the symbol of the chart where we attach our expert advisor. The second parameter is underscore period, which uses the current time frame of the chart. The third parameter is volume underscore tick, which tells the indicator to use tick volume for its calculations. This function returns an integer value that we store in the variable IAD definition. This handle will be used to access the indicator data. Now we sort the price array from the current candle downwards. We use ArraySetAsSeries with two parameters. The first parameter is myPriceArray, which is the array we want to modify. The second parameter is true, which means we want the array to be indexed in reverse order, where index 0 represents the most recent candle, index 1 the candle before that, and so on. This makes it easier to work with the most recent data. We then copy the indicator values into our array. We use copybuffer with 6 parameters. The first parameter is IAD definition, which is the handle we created earlier for our accumulation distribution indicator. The second parameter is 0, which specifies we want the main line of the indicator. The third parameter is 0, which means we start copying from the current candle. The fourth parameter is 3, which tells the function to copy data for 3 candles. The fifth parameter is myPriceArray, which is the array where we want to store the copied data. This function fills our array with the last 3 values of the accumulation distribution indicator. Now we get the value of the current candle. We declare an integer variable named IAD value and assign it the normalized value from our array. We use normalize double with 2 parameters. The first parameter is myPriceArray, 0, which accesses the first element of our array, representing the current candle's accumulation distribution value. The second parameter is 2, which means we want to round the value to 2 decimal places. This gives us a clean, readable value for display. Finally, we output the value on the chart. We use the comment function with 2 parts. The first part is the text IAD value, which will appear as a label. The second part is the variable IAD value, which contains our calculated and normalized accumulation distribution value. This creates a text display in the upper left corner of the chart that updates with every tick, showing the current accumulation distribution value. After writing all this code, we press F7 to compile the expert advisor. The compilation should complete without any errors since we have used all the functions correctly with their proper parameters. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you maybe want to check out the premium course on our website, or watch one of the basic videos first. Now we go back to Metaeditor by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in Metaeditor, we press Ctrl and are to start the strategy tester. We pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. Then we should see the expert advisor on the chart displaying the current accumulation distribution value in the upper left corner. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that calculates and displays the accumulation distribution indicator value using just a few lines of MQL code. You have now coded an expert advisor yourself that retrieves indicator data, processes it, and displays it on the chart in real time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.